dear traders, I'm Marina Generalova and you're watching the latest economic news release brought to you by InstаФорекс TV team. After a bout of unpromising reports, Japan sent some positive news to investors at last. The index calculated by the Brain Science Institute surged over expectations in the first quarter. It grew from 9.7 to 12.5 points. Experts had only expected it to post 11.3 points. It is worth saying that the readings above zero suggest growth in the sector. The tertiary index exceeded projections too. The gain was 0.9%, meanwhile in the preceding months it lost 0.4%. Anyway, not all the figures from Japan unveiled today are upbeat. In January, the consumer confidence index plunged from 40.5 to 38.3 points. Last time the Japanese were so pessimistic was in November 2011. Analysts had forecasted the index to move down just a tad, only to stay at 40.3 points. Japan's household confidence has been weakening for the third month in a row. The demand for cars and electronics had been high ahead of the tax hike. However, in general, the willingness of Japanese consumers to buy durable goods dropped by 4 points within a month. The employment fell by 2.2 points. The cost of living index as well as the labor cost index also went down. The US dollar-Japan yen pair market has been flat today. Since the start of the day, the quote of this currency pair sank by some 15 points. The pair is traded around 102 yen and 90 cents. The Chinese economic slump and uncertainties about Ukraine have been backing the yen. Unwilling to take any risks, investors are now sticking to a wait-and-see mode, and the Japanese currency appears to be one of the safest assets. This is all for now. We will be back with more news releases later today. Stay tuned.